Good morning, children, to everyone, and welcome back once again for English teacher class. In my previous class, I read this particular chapter 5, Finding a New Spring. And today, I am going to analyze the text. I am going to explain this particular text for you. So, my dear children, it is a story, as I told you. It is a story which teaches a lesson for life. These people were traveling in the desert. They were merchants and they were going to sell their things, but they had to cross a big desert. They had to face a lot of difficulties, scarcity of water, and they were also starving. They had no food and a lot of problems they were facing in the desert. But then what happens towards the end, we will come to understand this particular story after studying. And therefore now I am going to explain this particular lesson. Page number 59. Now finding a new spring. Finding, see here the meaning is finding, searching, searching, new, which is very new. Spring means here fountain. Or water source, we can say. Spring, fountain. Fountain or water, we can do stream. Okay, so these travelers or these traders found out spring in the desert, and then they drank that water. They had bath, the animals also drank, and they satisfied their needs. So, dear children, let us come to the first paragraph of this particular story. Once upon a time, a trader was leading a caravan to another country to sell his goods. Now, let us see some meanings here. This one I have explained. Now let us see some new words and meanings. See here, trader. A trader is simply a merchant or a person who sells. Merchant, we can say. Businessman. Seller, a person who is going to sell his things. So, once upon a time, a trader was leading a caravan to another country to sell his goods. Goods. Goods here means things which they are going to sell in another place. Then, caravan, you know, caravan, group of people. Caravan, earlier I have told you in the first this one, caravan, a group of people traveling together through a desert is called a caravan, group of people. Group of people traveling together. For some purpose. Okay. Now next line. Along the way, the caravan came to the edge of a very hot desert. Along the way, on the way. So this particular group of people came across a particular desert which was very hot. the life was very, very difficult in that particular desert. So, desert we know it is land of sand. Who can I say? Land of sand, where only sand field everywhere. So sand is there. So desert, no trees, no water is available. Then you see, along the way the caravan came to the edge of a very hot desert. Edge. At the side, you see. At the side of a desert. So they reached to the end of a particular desert. Now what they have to do now? The trader asked about and found that nobody could cross the desert during the day. So a trader said that we are not supposed to cross the desert today. Could cross the desert during the day. So during the daytime they are not supposed to cross the desert because there is a problem. It is too hot. There is a risk for this particular businessman, and therefore they are not supposed to cross during the daytime. Now next line you see, the sun heated up the fine sand until it was as hot as coal. As hot as coal. As hot as coal. See, it is a simile. It is called simile. So as hot as coal. So it is too hot. Too much hot. See, when the coal burns, it gives us heat. People can cook food, and they can make tea and cook vegetables and so on. So similarly, it was too hot. So here comparison is made. It was as hot as coal. So in other words, it was too much hot, and therefore they were not supposed to cross the desert. The sun heated up the fine sand until it was hot as coal, and not even camels could walk on it. The camels are called the sheep of the desert, because only camels can travel in the desert. No, on the sand, no car, no other vehicles could move, because there is a lot of sand everywhere, and therefore only camels can walk on the desert. Next paragraph. So the trader hired a guide. Borrowed, asked a local person to work for him. Hired, even borrow. So one guide has come. Leading person, we can say. Leading person, a person who will show the person who will show them the path. So this someone has come from the locality so that he could show them the path. Okay. So the trader hired a guide, one who could follow the stars. So one who would follow the stars, that particular person has come. It was decided that he would lead the way across the desert at night. So this particular guide will lead them during the night time. During the night time, there will be no heat, and so easily they can travel in that particular desert. So my dear children, I end my class here. We'll meet again in the next class. Thank you very much for paying attention.